There is a speed in this universe that nothing with mass can ever reach. Imagine you are on a train. The world slides past the window. At first it is slow, then it gets faster. And at some point, you can almost feel the speed. Now take a bigger leap in your mind. Not a train, a spacecraft. You start the engines, you push forward, and you keep pushing. A simple question appears. If I keep accelerating, can I reach the speed of light? Modern physics says no. Not because our machines are weak, not because we lack the right fuel, but because the speed of light is not just very fast. It is a built-in limit of the universe, not a wall you could touch. A boundary written into how reality works. In everyday life, the rule feels clear. Add energy and you gain speed. Pedal harder and you go faster. Press the accelerator and the car responds. But near light speed, the story changes. At first, each extra push gives a big increase. Then the increase becomes smaller. And smaller again. It is like running up a hill that gets steeper with every step. This is not air resistance. It is not friction. It is not a fault in the engine. It is the nature of matter at extreme speed. In a way, the universe lets you get close, but it makes every final step more expensive. Picture a shopping trolley. At first it is empty, you push it and it rolls easily. Then someone keeps adding heavy bags. You do not see it happen. You only feel the change. You push harder. You add more effort. Yet the trolley responds less and less. It is not stuck. It still speeds up. It just becomes harder to make it speed up. That is the heart of special relativity. If an object has mass, its inertia grows as it moves faster. It resists changes in speed more and more. So the same extra energy gives less extra speed. And here is the key technical fact. For any object with mass, reaching the speed of light would take infinite energy. Infinite. Not a great deal, not too much for us. Infinite. And infinity is not something you can build towards. It is a hard stop in the laws of nature. You can approach the limit, 90% of light speed, 99, 99.9. But the last part never finishes. It always asks for more energy than you can provide. In the end, it asks for energy without end. So you might wonder, light does it. Light travels at the speed of light, so why can it? Because light is different. Light has no rest mass. And that changes everything. For light, that speed is not a finish line. It is its natural state. It does not have to climb up to it. It simply exists there. And we, made of matter, live under a different rule. We can chase that limit. We can get astonishingly close. But we cannot reach it, and we cannot pass it. But as we approach it, the universe changes the rules. Distance shrinks, and time itself begins to slow down. That story comes next.